Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 13 Pro, replacing display protection glass. Let's get started. We have already disassembled the display module. Now place it on the screen vacuum heating glue removal mold to remove the display protection glass. We are detaching the glass from the module through a thick cable. And we successfully removed the protection glass without damage. Check the display and touch it working after the glass is removed. Now we are removing the metal frame and sensors from the display module. Removing glue. Cleaning the display. And applying UV light to identify dust. Attaching the new protection glass. Now place it in the LCD vacuum laminating machine for better attachment. The set temperature is 45, vacuum time 50 seconds, and pressure time 35 seconds. Now place it on the smart screen defoaming machine to remove babbles. Checking the display. It's working fine. And that's it. We've successfully replaced the iPhone 13 Pro display glass. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.